Another day, another breakfast, another meal of fruit. Melon's been really good. Sitting at the back of a certified organic shop and just about head off training. Easy down the bike today, maybe 4 hours, so just having a little meal here just to get cruising. It's great having such control over my fuel and energy levels and not being dependent on stimulants or refined food packages that arrive via FedEx. Do you know why all the supplement sellers don't want you eating so much fruit? Because then you wouldn't have any room. They're crap. You wouldn't have any need. They're crap. You wouldn't have any desire. Physiological desire. They're crap. So, you decide, don't be blaming no raw food leader for your demise. Take control of yourself. Become informed. Become knowledgeable. Become, the captain of your ship. Don't go, oh, try that raw thing. David Wolf's an asshole. He sold me crap. Don't blame people, man. Take control of yourself. Only take results. Only take advice from people getting the results you desire. If you don't like the way a raw food leader is looking, living, or talking, find someone else, man. Find someone you vibe with. Find someone that your heart, says, okay, this guy's, he's walking his talk, man. He's talking like he walks it.
Or girl.
So, simple as that. So take advice from people getting the results you desire and stop blaming everyone else for your problems. You know what I mean? It's like, we can play the blame game, or we can take responsibility upon ourselves and go, hang on, man, I'm an adult, it's my duty to become informed, it's my duty to do some research, not just hand over my freaking credit card and go, hey man, give me some stevia powder so I can control my sugar addiction because I'm blessed with like a sugar demon to something. It's like, man, cut the crap, just walk the truth. Okay, see you out there.